This is a step-by-step tutorial on how to upload a video on YouTube. So this starts from whereby you've already actually made your video and you want to upload it to YouTube. So this is a step-by-step process. So this is what you're going to do. One, you're going to open your YouTube application. Okay, now when you open your YouTube application, you're going to look down, you see the home, shorts, the plus, then subscription, then new. You're going to tap on the plus icon right here. So when you tap on the plus icon, it brings you to the available videos within your device. So your role is actually to scroll and select that video you want to upload. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using this video I've actually made already right here. So you tap the video.
Let's learn how to change the WhatsApp chat theme, for example, from changing.
So when you tap the video, this brings you this interface. You can actually see the option of edit into a short. That is when if you want to convert this video into a short, or you can tap the next option if you're actually uploading it as a long form video. So you tap on next right here. So when you tap on next, they bring you this option. They're going to ask you to the details. You see the add details, right? So this first option is where you add the thumbnail. So you're going to tap this icon if you want to add the thumbnail. So I'm going to add a thumbnail to this video. Tap this icon. Now it brings you to your phone gallery, okay, your files and all that. So you're going to navigate, you can tap these recent images, go and select from your images. So this is my device. So I'm going to select the thumbnail for my video. Okay, I'm going to go with this. This is my thumbnail. So when you select the thumbnail, now this is my thumbnail. Please make sure your thumbnail is actually very good, well edited, and which is very good so that it can actually attract viewers. Now after selecting the thumbnail, you're going to tap on done. Now when you tap on done, now the next part is you're going to create a title. Okay, then you see in brackets tap add to mention a channel. That is if you want to mention a channel. So I'm going to put a title for my video. So I'm going to put, this video is how to change chat theme on WhatsApp. Okay, so type how to change chat theme in WhatsApp. Okay, now that is the title. That is my title. Now the next option is the add description. So you're going to write a description clearly explaining what your video is about. Okay, now tap that add description. Now please make sure you write a proper description for your video. So for this video I'm going to be showing you, let me try to give you one. In this video, let's learn how to change chat theme in WhatsApp with the latest WhatsApp update. WhatsApp now allows users to change chat themes according to one's preference to make the app experience good. So after putting that, that's your description. This is my description, so it depends on yours. You can actually make yours. So this is my description. Okay, if you want to make yours, please make sure you make yours according to your preference. Then now you can come back. Now we're going to have visibility next. So when you come to visibility, you can see right now it's set to public. Now in case yours is set to private, please make sure you turn that public. That means if you're uploading for public, okay, change that to public. If you want to choose unlisted, this is basically a public field, can actually search and view. So if you want to set as a pre-start premium, you can tap this plus. Okay, but for this one I'm interested in the public. Okay, if you want to post for your members only, this is the option you actually select. That means if you have actually members that actually on your channel. Okay, then if you actually want to schedule it, you're actually going to use this option right here. You tap this and then you can actually schedule. Okay, for example, this is why it selects your time frame. So tap this portion right here, and then today is a Thursday, so tomorrow is going to be a Friday. If you want to actually schedule it for a future date, you can actually do this from here. So you can, the first thing you select is probably tomorrow. You won't select the date, just this is for illustrative purposes. Then press OK. Now select the time that you want. Okay, this will be probably 6 a.m. After doing that, you tap OK. And now then you tap as set as premiere. You see that? If you want to set as a premium, okay? You see? That is basically you scheduling it if you want to schedule it, okay? But I'm not going to go with that, okay? So that basically, that's you scheduling, right? Now, if you want to add it to a playlist, please, you can just adjust that, add to playlist according to the available playlists I have on my device. So I'm going to choose WhatsApp tricks, then tap down after selecting the playlist. Now you actually move to the altered content. Now tap altered content. Do any of the video describe your content? Okay. Do any of the following do any of the following describe your content? Makes a whole person appear to do nothing. This I'm going to go with the no. Come back. Important to note is what this option of what they call the short remixing. Okay, it actually shows you allow video and audio remixing. Okay, you can actually select only allow audio remixing or don't allow remixing. Okay, I'm going to go with the allow video and audio remixing. Then if you're done selecting that, head back, and now you can actually see the option of add paid. Okay, you can actually see the option of add paid promotion label. Does this video include paid promotion? I'm going to go with the no because I don't have any. Then head back. Now there's this option of comments. Okay, now select comments right here, on, off, for having more interaction on the video and how people's response to the video, if they're actually picking value in the video, if you're getting knowledge in this video. I prefer to leave the comments on. Okay, but however, if you want to put them off, you can actually select the option of what? Selecting off. You see that? So, but I'm going to go with the on option right here. Now, bring the option of comment moderation. There's option of strict. So I'm going to go with this first option down here with arrow. Select the arrow and see what they bring. Comment moderation, none. Don't hold any comments. The second option is basic. Hold potentially inappropriate comments. Then 3 is strict. Hold a broader range of potentially inappropriate comments. In the last one is hold all. Says hold all comments. Okay, so I'm going to go with the strict option. Hold a broader range of potentially inappropriate comments, inappropriate ones. Okay, now after selecting that, come back. I'm going to head back. You're going to go with the option of next. Okay, please make sure you have actually made everything according to your preference right here. Okay, so then tap on next. Now select audience. In this video, is this video made for kids? No, it's not made for kids. Okay, then I tap on upload video. Then ask you publish without checks. Okay, making your video public before checks complete majority visibility. So I'm going to go with publish. So that means you can actually see right now my video is being uploaded. You can actually see right now about 43 seconds remaining, 14% uploaded, and all that. Okay, so you can actually see right now processing has started. So you can actually see right now this video is ready to be watched. If you want to watch your video, you click right there. You can actually see your video that you have actually uploaded to YouTube.